Hello everyone and welcome back to CyberWall app. In this video, we'll be doing a full walkthrough of a vulnerable machine using a black box pen testing approach. Our target is a web application hosted at an IP address. We'll start from web enumeration, exploit a LFI vulnerability, use it to extract sensitive credentials, gain SSH, and finally escalate privileges to root using a misconfigured Python binary. First, we access the target in a browser. This application looks minimal, but that doesn't mean it's secure. When testing web applications, one of the first things we look for is how user input is handled. Here, we notice a page parameter being used to load content dynamically. This is immediately interesting because if input validation is weak, it can lead to local file inclusion or LFI. The application tries to block common transversal patterns like this, but these filters are often weak and bypassable. Instead of traditional transversal, we use an obfuscated transversal sequence with an extra dots and slashes. This bypasses the filter and successfully loads the etc passwd file. This confirms the vulnerability. From the output, we identified a valid user named Lehman. Now, we pivot from file disclosure to credential hunting. Let's attempt something else. Let's try to read the SSH private key of the user. The server responded with the contents of IDRSA. This is critical. Exposing a private SSH key is equivalent to handling over account access. The key is retrieved as raw text, so we need to construct it properly. We only extract the base64 content between the begin and end markers and save it as IDRSA. After saving the key, we fix permissions because SSH refuses to use keys data to open. The private key is protected by a passphrase. To crack it, we first convert it into a hash format compatible with John the Ripper. Let's use the Rocky word list, and after a short time, the passphrase will get cracked. This confirms another failure, weak cryptography and poor password hygiene. Using the cracked passphrase, we log in via SSH, and now we have the interactive access as a standard user. At this stage, the user flag is obtained, but the system is not fully compromised yet. So, to escalate privileges, we enumerate the system using leanpeace. Leanpeace helps us identify dangerous configurations, SUID binaries, and capability issues. Here we can see Python 3.12 binary has dangerous capabilities that allows privilege escalation. Let's type the command. This command abuses the misconfigured Python binary to set the user ID to root and spawn a shell. We successfully read the root flag and complete the machine. Now, let's summarize what went wrong. The machine was compromised due to a chain of preventable issues. Weak input validation led to local file inclusion. LFI exposed sensitive SSH private keys. The SSH key used a weak passphrase, and a misconfigured Python binary allowed privilege escalations. Each issue alone is dangerous, and combined they result in a full system takeover. That is why defense in depth and proper configuration management matters. Hope you enjoyed this walkthrough or learned something new. Try fixing the vulnerabilities and retesting machine from a defender's perspective. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video. I'll see you in the next lab.